Hello, everyone. Happy Hump Day. This is Amanda coming to you with a quick video about the Cash Building System Unlimited, which is a postcard mailing opportunity. And what I want to do is discuss today some of the things that you want to focus on when you actually get started, and also go over a little bit of information about the system. If you have heard of this before, you are basically looking at a home-based business that's going to allow you to start getting consistent payouts through the mail or online. So what I want to do is basically just talk about the cash building system, how it works, and what to expect when you get started. So the thing is that when you get started with this program, you're going to get a package in the mail. When you receive your package in the mail, it's going to come with your postcards. That's going to come like this. Okay, this is the back of the postcard, and then this is the front of the postcard. Okay, so that's what the front looks like. And this is what the back of the postcard looks like. You're also going to receive in the mail envelope that's going to have your labels, your pill and stick labels that's going to have the addresses on it for people who are interested in a home-based business opportunity. You're going to also get some information that's going to have your ID number. And if you want to order additional postcards or labels, you're going to receive that information as well. So what you want to do is, as soon as you actually get started, you want to basically see where you want to come in, at. And I expect everyone to come in at least at level 1, level 2, or level 3. And we're going to discuss why that's important. With the system, there's no experience needed. You don't have to be in the mailing business or have done this before. When I started this back in 2016, I was fairly new, didn't know anything about postcard mailing. I just went to work. Okay. So I want everybody to just come in with a mindset that you're learning something new, and that there's going to be somewhat of a learning curve, but you can actually do it as long as you stay consistent. Okay. So there's no experience needed, no cold calling, no emailing. You don't have to spam people. You don't have to sell this to strangers. You don't have to explain the program, no auto ship, no computer required, no internet connection, no confusing systems. You're going to just mail your postcard, and then you're going to also use other offline strategies that I go over in my trainings if you would like to implement and actually get started faster with actually getting results. Okay, so this is, again, the front of the postcard. When you get your ID number, which you're going to receive again by mail and email, you're going to take the ID number, and that's going to go directly here. Okay, it's going to be 4 digits long. My ID number is 1562. The ID number is important because this is how you get paid. A person cannot sign up without an ID number. They're going to need the ID number. And this is how the company knows that you're the person that gets paid for that person that signed up. You're going to put your postcard stamp here, which is not the same amount as a regular stamp. You're going to get a postcard stamp, which is much cheaper, and you can actually get them in bulk and pay a really discounted price. Okay. So here on the back of the postcard, it talks about the different ways you can get paid. So you have the fast start bonus, spillover bonus, the upgrade bonus, and then the residual income. Just for paying a one-time fee of $50, you're going to get 200 postcards and 200 labels with names and addresses on them. Okay. Now, if you want to upgrade to phase 2, you have to pay phase 1, and then you can upgrade to phase 2 by paying into one of these levels. So they have $100, $500. We currently have a $300 level as well, which is a bonus level. So there's a $100, $300, $500. $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, $3,500, and $5,000. These levels are going to just allow you to get paid more money depending on what level you come in at. So as an example, if you came in at level 3, which is $1,000, you're going to get paid for everyone that comes in at level 1, 2, or 3, plus the bonus level. You're going to be able to collect $700, $350, $70, and for the bonus level, $150. So whenever someone joins at any of these levels, you're going to be able to collect on them. Whereas with the phase 1, you're only able to collect $25 for each person that comes in. You also get paid from the efforts of your team. So if your team starts sending out their postcards and using their link to promote, you're going to get paid from their efforts on position number 2, and they're going to also get paid. So this just allows you to make money faster because you're at a higher level. You're going to get more postcards and labels. Plus, not only that, you're going to also be able to collect commissions on the bigger levels as people come in. As you can see, the company takes a very small portion, which is only 10% from these levels. And this is just basically a monitoring fee. This is what they receive for keeping up your account, making sure you get paid, especially on level 2, as you start to have other people recruit and bring people in. So when you join today, again, you have for the $50 level, you're going to get all of this stuff here. Your 200 done for you postcards, your 200 targeted leads. You're going to get information for discounted pricing on stamps, our private offline marketing strategies you're going to learn about, and we have an exclusive Facebook group that's for paid members only. Going back to here, once you sign up at phase 1, you can automatically upgrade to phase 2. You do not need to wait. Some people, they wait and then it just takes longer for you to receive your additional postcards and leads. So what you want to do is as soon as you come in at phase 1, you can automatically upgrade to phase 2 at any of these levels. You can pay by mail or you can pay online. All you're going to do is when you want to join at phase 1, you're going to hit this join now button. It's going to open up this page, and this is where you complete your information so that the company will be able to get your information into their system. So again, this is a one-time only. You're going to submit and hit the button one time. You're going to put your sponsor ID here, your first and last name, your mailing address, where you want your postcards to go, city, state, and zip code. People always ask me, can I get a PO box later on if I need to? Absolutely. You can get a PO box at any time and update your information. Okay. You don't have to start off with a PO box. If you want to, you can do that as well and just pay for 6 months or a year at your local post office. You're going to include your phone number, your email address. You're going to select the date, which is going to be the day that you paid, which will be today's date. The day that you fill this information out would be the date that you select. Now, once you hit the submit button, it's going to then take you to the payment option, which is going to be to pay $50 through PayPal, or you could pay using your debit or credit card. Okay. So once you make this $50 payment, this automatically puts you in the system so that you can get your order of your postcards and your leads. Now, when you want to upgrade, you're going to do the same thing here. $100, $300, or $500. These are the most popular levels that people join at. So what you're going to do for here, give me 1 second here. And again, this is going to be on my link below. You're going to be able to come here and make a payment. So you can hit this join now button and you can pay directly online. Again, in the description below is the button for you to make a payment for the higher levels. Okay. So if you want to come in at any other level that's above level 2, all you need to do is contact me directly and I'll go ahead and help you get started at the higher levels. Okay. So that's the way it works. You can also get a website just like this. It will have your picture, your information, your Facebook link, so that when people are ready to get started, they want to connect with a person, they want to know that you're a real person, they can actually have a conversation with you. You can get a website that will have your customized information here, along with our fast action bonuses. So we have, again, exclusive trainings, which we have twice a month. And it's also replay because they are recorded. We have the discounted postcard stamps that you can get at a discounted price so that you're not paying a ton of money in stamps. Then we have access to our private Facebook group, along with private one-on-one coaching if you need it. Okay. So this is basically what the website looks like that you will be able to order when you get started. And again, you're going to get everything else through the mail. Now with the holiday, I tell people give it 7 to 10 days for you to receive your packet by mail. The mail is a little bit slow. It's not going to come overnight. You have to give it some time to get to you. In between that time, you should be working on getting your website, getting into the Facebook group, going over the training replays, and having a game plan on what you're going to do, your strategy for your offline marketing. So I hope that this information is enough for you to make an educated decision. If this is something you would like to be a part of, I would love to have you a part of the team. And again, you can feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Happy hump day. Have a great day. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.